Hi everyone and welcome to my course on short video filmmaking. In this course, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to make your first short film, from concept development to post-production. We'll start by covering the basics of filmmaking, such as scriptwriting, storyboarding, shooting, and editing. But we'll also go beyond the basics and talk about more advanced topics, such as character development, directing, and cinematography. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and knowledge you need to make your own first short film from start to finish, and you'll also have a deep understanding of the filmmaking process as a whole. So, if you're interested in learning how to make short films, then this course is for you. Whether you're a complete beginner or you have some experience, I'm confident that you'll learn something new and valuable in this course. Here are some things to look out for: how to write a short film script, how to create a storyboard, how to shoot your first short film, how to edit your short film, how to develop your characters, how to direct your actors, how to use different camera angles and different camera shots, how to color grade your short film, and much more. I'm excited to help you on your journey to becoming a filmmaker. So let's get started.